Normally, I sketch the dress outline in Procreate first, then export it as a PNG and bring it into Adobe Illustrator. That's where I clean everything up and finish the final line walk. If you want to learn that full process, I'll drop the link in the description once the video is up. But for today's video, we're keeping it simple. We're just going to learn how to fill color inside the line walk using the Light Paint Bucket tool in Adobe Illustrator. For this demo, I'm using Outfit 79. First things first, I'm going to duplicate these outline layers so I don't accidentally mess up the original. So I'll select the layer, then I'll go to this icon here and click Duplicate Outline. Now I'm going to hide the original outline layers. And finally, I'll rename this new one Color Fill. You'll also notice I already organized everything into groups, so the bodice, skirt, and ruffles are all separated under this Color Fill layer. It just makes things way easier to work with. Okay, now let's start by filling the bodice. I'll select the bodice group. Then I'm going to grab the Light Paint Bucket tool, shortcut K. Next, let's pick a color. I'll just go with this purple. Now let's zoom in. Basically, I'll just click anywhere I want the color to go. Super simple. Just drop the color right into the shapes. I'll keep filling as I go. Now, if you hit a section where it won't fill, like the spot here, you can see the little symbol telling me it's not working. That usually means the shape isn't fully closed somewhere. So I'll leave that spot for now and keep going with the other areas. Alright, now let's go back and fix the session. This time, I'll switch to the right selection tool, shortcut A. Let's zoom in. I'll slightly adjust the line walk so the shape closes properly. And I'm going to tweak this line too. Now I'll switch back to the Light Paint Bucket tool again, shortcut K, same color, and click again. Perfect, now it works. Next, we're going to move on to the skirt. Same thing, I'll select the skirt group, hit K, and drop the color right into the line walk. Now let's do the ruffles. I'll select the ruffle group and start filling. If I run into another area that won't fill, I'm not going to stress about it. I'll just skip it and fix it afterward. So let's do that real quick. I'll go back to the right selection tool, zoom in, and adjust the lines wherever they need to connect. I'll do the same thing on the other side too. Now back to the Light Paint Bucket tool and fill the color again. At this point, I'm going to do a quick check just to make sure I didn't miss any tiny spots. Right here, the lines need a little rearranging, so I'll hit A again and adjust those. That looks good. So one last little tweak. I want the ruffles to sit slightly higher. I'm going to select the ruffle group and just tap the up arrow a few times to move it up. And that's it. Now we'll fill in the color using the Live Paint bucket tool. If you want to practice line drawing in Procreate, you can use my instant brush templates. They're also great for practicing shading because you can just pick a template and jump straight into shading, no setup needed. I'll put the link in the description below. And in the next video, we'll talk about how to change the brush color really easily.